The Chemical Destruction Community Advisory Board met yesterday to talk about the government organization responsible for destroying the 523 tons of chemical agent contained in rockets, artillery projectiles, and 3 departments of transportation bottles currently in storage at the Bluegrass Army Depot near Richmond, Kentucky. The meeting provided a snapshot of the current status of the plant's economic impact, construction, and the systemization progress.
Get everything you want, when you want it, and where you want it, on any mobile or digital device and viewable screen, including that big screen in your living room. Get it on the go, at night, or wherever you want it. 24/7, WBONTV.com. Learn it, love it, use it.
You know, there's a lot of pieces to getting this project done, and the search for qualified people, as was pointed out at the meeting, is difficult now because the economy is doing very well. And people with the specialties necessary to execute this program are few and far between. But thus far, they've been able to recruit very high quality people. I believe they will fill the necessary positions only with qualified people, so my confidence is high that we'll get there. There's subgroups underneath the advisory board that met today that historically have worked on individual pieces of the project. We've combined all of those pieces into one process working group now because we're approaching the operational phase. Historically, it's all been pre-operational, pre-systemization phases, and so we could chop it up into smaller pieces. Now we have to look at everything at once as we move forward to operations. We meet once a month instead of quarterly, and then we've already had 2 special called meetings in between the monthly meetings. But at those meetings, frankly, what happens is we look at specific issues that are what I call hot button issues. In other words, those that have to be taken care of in a timely manner so that the operational phase can kick off on schedule. And those can be things that cover a wide gamut of detail on a lot of different pieces of the project. Things like, you know, what do we do if this happens? How do we deal with if this happens? Those sorts of things. And then we all work together with the contractor, with the military, with the regulators, and with the citizens group and try to work all those pieces out so that we can stay on track to get going with the disposal.
For more stories like these, be sure to visit Richmond's very own WBONTV.com. I'm Austin Hanks.